Okay, we are on literal equations, and I told you guys to go ahead and do the old material, and we'll do the new material tomorrow. With the old material, I'll go ahead and do the old material, and then I'll hit the new material, so I do the video for both, but I'll go opposite to help you guys out. So on page 301, we have number 25. It says define a variable, write an inequality to solve each problem. Go ahead and try yourself, define the variable, and go ahead and set up the problem. Number 301, or page 301, number 25, it says 8 times a number minus 27 is no more than, so that actually no more than means less than or equal to, because I don't want any more than the negative of that number, so that number is n, so negative n plus 18. So I could put a 1 in front of that negative n. If I were to solve this, I would add 1 in to both sides. I got 9n minus 27 less than or equal to 18. Add 27, 9n less than 45. Divide by 9, and I get n less than or equal to 5. Write an inequality. We do not have to graph, so there you guys go. Page 327, number 9. On 327, number 9, I have 8 over g plus 3 less than or equal to negative 9. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 3 from both sides. Or sorry, hold on. Sorry. G over 4 plus 3 less than or equal to negative 9. Pause the video and try to solve yourself, and then graph. So I'm going to multiply everything by my denominator. You could bring the 3 over first if you would like. I got g plus 12 less than or equal to negative 36. Minus 12 minus 12. G is less than or equal to negative 48. So if I were to graph this, here's negative 48, close circle. G is less than or equal to, so less than or equal to means to the left. Page 327, number 13. I have negative 11 less than or equal to 2h, minus 5 less than or equal to 13. Go ahead and pause the video and try. I'm going to add 5 to all three. That goes away, so I got negative 6 less than or equal to 2h less than or equal to 18. Divide everything by 2. I get negative 3, just like this. If I were to graph this, it says graph, so my negative 3 is here, my 9 is over here. If I pronounce this, I have h is greater than or equal to negative 3. Greater than or equal to means to the right. Less than or equal to, less than or equal to means to the left. So I would literally have a line going in the middle connecting those. Page 327, number 20. I have absolute value negative 4m plus 3 less than or equal to 15. If I got positive 15, I have absolute value, so I got to put negative 15. Go ahead and pause the video and try. So my absolute values could go off. I got negative 3 to all sides. That goes away. 15 minus 3 is 12. 4m in the middle. That's negative 18. I can divide all by 4. And I'm left with m in the middle, that's 3. 18 divided by 4. 18 divided by 4. 4 can go into 18 4 times. 2 left over, so that would be negative 4. And instead of 2 over 4, I would put 1 over 2. So negative 4 and 1/2, which is 0.5. If I were to graph this, negative 4.5 is here, positive 3 is here. M is greater than or equal to, so greater than or equal to going to the right. M is less than or equal to 3 going to the left. That's how I would solve that. Page 317, number 54. Page 317, 316, number 54. Page 316, sorry, 16, number 54. We have 2c minus 3 greater than or equal to 5, or 3c plus 7 less than or equal to negative 5. So I'm going to go ahead and add 3. That's 2c greater than or equal to 8. Divide by 2. c is greater than or equal to 4. Minus 7. 3c less than negative 12. Divide by 3. c is less than or equal to negative 4. If I were to graph this, I have my negative 4 on this side, positive 4 on the right side. c is greater than or equal to 4, going to the right. c is less than or equal to negative 4, going to the left. Page 145, number 11. Number 11. Go ahead and pause the video and try. Number 11 says, find the value of x so that the figures have the same perimeter. Perimeter means I need to add. If I add the left side, I have x plus 3 plus x plus 3. On the right side, I have 14 plus x minus 4 plus 14 plus x minus 4. I have to add up all my sides. There are my sides. If I combine my terms, 1, 2, 3, 4x. 3 plus 3 is 6. 14 minus 4 is 10. Plus 14 is 24. Minus 4 is 20. And then I have 2x. Minus 2x, minus 2x. So 2x plus 6 equals 20. Minus 6, minus 6. 2x equals 14. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X equals 7. Okay? All right, let's go ahead with the new material. This is for tomorrow, page 128, number 2. Page 128, number 2. Number 2, I have 7h plus f equals 2h plus g, and I need to solve for g. Go ahead and pause the video and try. So if I'm trying to solve for g, I need to get rid of what's not attached first, so I got to get rid of the 2h. I can actually put the 2h under the 7. That gives me 5h plus f equals g. Hey, the g is by itself, so I'm actually done. Page 129, number 10. I have fg minus 9h equals 10j, and I need to solve for g. So I need to get rid of what's not attached. So if I have minus 9h, I'm going to add 9h to both sides. I cannot combine those. Then I can, so that leaves me with fg equals 10j plus 9h. If I'm trying to get g by itself, I'm going to divide by f. G is by itself. That's what I would remain with. And I am done. Page 129, number 13. 5 over 9, v plus w equals z. And it says solve for v. I have a denominator, so I'm going to go ahead and multiply everything I see by 9, so then 9 goes away. 5v plus 9w equals 9z. If I'm trying to get the v by itself, I need to get rid of the 9w minus 9w. 5v equals 9z minus 9w. I'm almost done. Divide by 5, and that's what I get. Now I want to show you guys something, that if two things share the same thing, this shares a 9, this shares a 9, that I can actually do the opposite of distribute and take out. So 9 can be taken out, and I would be left with z minus w over 5. And these are the same thing. Page 129, number 15. I have df plus 10 over 6 equals g. And it says solve for f. Pause the video and try. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 6. I'm left with df plus 10 equals 6g. If I'm trying to get f by itself, I need to get rid of what's not attached. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the 10 first. Minus 10 minus 10. So df equals 6g minus 10. Divide by d, divide by d. So f equals 6g minus 10 over d. Now I want you guys to recognize that I could actually take a 2 out of both of these because they share a 2. If I were, I would take a 2 out and I would be left with 3g minus 5 over d, but that's just another step that we will learn later. And we are done.